In a case like the Tory Stafford case, do you believe this is an instance where the death penalty should be considered for Michael Rafferty?
I don't. I wouldn't take it that far. What he did was wrong, and my beliefs, I don't think the death penalty should come faced towards him, but a long life sentence should.
He definitely deserves a death penalty, and the death penalty should be enforced for people like that, especially when it comes to killing innocent children, the way in the style in which he did.
In this situation where there's irrefutable evidence and there was a child involved, I think this would actually justify the death penalty.
Well, death penalty might be too much. Like, they got rid of it for a reason, right? Because it might have been like too much of a harsh of a punishment.
Well, yeah, if he's guilty, definitely is eye for eye. It's always, that's the perfect law. Eye for an eye.
If society is really about rehabilitation and learning from your mistakes, I believe that incarceration would be a better route for Mr. Rafferty.
Yes, once it has proven that by no reasonable doubt that he did commit the crime, and he did from the evidence and what they've shown so far, yes, I agree with it. Why should we have to pay taxpayer money to house someone who have blatantly disregard for anyone's life? So why should we?
With the cost of inmates in jail now is actually $114,000 to keep them in there per year. Do you think that has a factor in it, or how do you feel about that cost?
I never knew it was that high, to be honest with you, but I don't think it'd have as a major factor. I mean, I'd rather him stay in jail than him die. What he did was wrong, but I'd rather balance the cost with his life sentence.
Well, no, because like I said, the death penalty, once he's dead, punishment's over. Let him suffer.
Oh, definitely. I just don't think that it's fair. A poor innocent child has died, and he's just being locked up in a jail.
Well, considering the amount of money that it costs to inhabit prisoners over the course of the year, I would venture to say that I would vote for the death penalty.
I mean, we're paying through the nose that it is for everything else. So for a criminal who did such a terrible act, no way out. Capital punishment.